In this tutorial, I am showing you the difference between the oval primitive tools and the normal tools. I am clicking on the ActionScript 3.0. I am using Adobe Animate CC. Also, you can use Flash, CS6 or other versions, older versions, no problem. So clicking here and the screen opens. This is the normal oval tool. I am selected here. I've selected here stroke 1 and I'm giving a fill color like this color. Okay, and start angle, I'm giving first I'm drawing a normal oval tool, you see that, but now I'm changing the start angle about 90 degree. So if I draw, you see what happens. Also stroke is none here. I am giving a stroke width and again drawing a an oval tool, an oval shape with some start angle. Okay, now if I draw with an end angle and starting angle 0 and ending angle about 90 degree, not exact, you can type here 90, no problem. And if you draw, then you can see what is being drawn. Okay, I'm giving stroke 0 almost, so check it how it shows. This is the end angle. Okay, and if you enlarge the end angle, you will see these type of shapes. Okay, make it little bit smaller and you see this angle, only end angle enabled. So I am clicking on the stage and deleting everything, selected all with black arrow tool and pressing the delete button. Now I am clicking the oval tool again and making every other thing 0 and inner radius something and giving it a stroke. So you see what happens, you get a hollow hole here of inner radius of this measurement. So this is the normal oval tool. The problem is after drawing you cannot change the other things like the radius etc. So comes the oval primitive tools. I am deleting it. Here below that symbol oval primitive tools you will get. In other versions you can get it somewhere else. Okay, don't worry. So now now oval primitive tools is selected. Now I am changing the start angle, you see what happens. Just changing the end angle, you see I am changing it, now giving an inner radius. So the beauty of oval primitive tools is that you can change these properties after drawing your object in Adobe Flash or Adobe Animate CC. This is the main advantage of oval primitive tools or primitive tools in general. I am deleting it. There is another advantage. I am now picked up the oval tool and giving a fill color of blue and stroke color of black and drawn this part having inner radius, so it is showing. Okay, there is no problem. Now I am drawing another oval tool, normal oval tool, not primitive tools, with green stroke color and black green fill color and black stroke color. Now drawing it again. So when you use the black arrow tool and click outside and drag it, you check what happens. So what happens, this portion got merged with this shape. The stroke, when you double click, you select all the strokes here, so they got merged. You can see it better if I draw without strokes. Okay, deleting everything, check the oval tool, normal oval tool, and no stroke. Okay, stroke is 0. So drawn a circle, again clicked another. Oh, it got a stroke here, I think. Okay, so okay, no stroke. Now drawing again another circle using the oval tool, oval, and clicking here, clicked outside and after clicking and dragging here, so it cuts the previous shape. That is the that occurs in shape drawing mode or object drawing mode. Not I am teaching it here, but you see here. But now if I draw using the oval primitive tool, this does not happen. Okay, now selecting oval primitive tools, no stroke, fill color, drawing it. Okay, it's have some inner radius. Okay, deleting that, and again drawing it with another fill color. Sorry, it is selected, so it happens. So I am drawing another oval tool, oval primitive tool shape, clicking the green and drawing again, and using the black arrow tool clicked outside and dragging, you see that nothing happens. So this is the beauty of the oval primitive tools. And you can check also drawing using oval primitive tool first. This is oval primitive tools. Using black arrow tool, click outside and then draw oval, normal oval tool with different fill color, draw it. Okay, and check what happens. Not cutting each other, it's not cutting. So in short, I have given a brief introduction of oval tool and oval primitive tools and their differences here. In this tutorial, I am Bikram and I teach Flash online, and also I teach Flash or Animate CC in Kolkata, India. Thank you very much.